Firstly, I would like to say that this Puraskar, the Nari Shakti Puraskar, is a very prestigious award, and it recognizes the efforts of women who have been working towards marginalized sections. I'm a disability rights activist, and I have been working towards this cause. I have been working towards inclusion, towards accessibility, and towards discriminatory attitudes towards people with disability. I think it has been almost 16 years since the accident happened, since the bomb blast happened, and I still remember that the moment I decided that I would never look back was the day I got my 10th standard result and I got the state rank. It was an overwhelming day for me because I had only worked for about I was bedridden for almost 18 months, and with 3 months of preparation I got a state rank and I got the opportunity to meet Dr. Kalam, who was then the president. Last year I got the opportunity to speak at the UN, and I think it was amazing to share my story at such an amazing platform. There were people from all over the world. I think had it not been for my family's support, especially my mother, because she's been like a shadow, she's been a very amazing pillar of strength, and from the time I was in hospital till I'm here receiving the award from the president, she's the one who gave me the most important lesson that even during the times of failure, we must know where we stand and we must know that we are no less. I visited a lot of private companies, and where I found out that there is a lot of awareness now. There are companies who are understanding the unique needs of people with disabilities, even in terms of employing people with disability, how they have unique skill sets to offer. Every woman that I have met and understood that, they will not give up in life, or they will, no matter what, they will come out of their trauma, they will come out of their tragedy. I think those women are my inspiration, who don't look back, who don't give up. Where I started academically to where I am now, I have been a part of a lot of projects. I have tried to work towards attitude of people, attitude of young people towards disability. That's also my PhD thesis about. And I have tried to promote accessible fashion for people with disability. And for now, I am working towards the findings of my PhD thesis and how I can introduce a curriculum in schools and colleges, because that's where these attitudes are formed, that's where the discriminatory attitudes are formed.